In this video, we'll take a quick look at how you can issue refunds to your clients using SBPay Pro. Please note that this functionality is only available for Premium and Premium Plus users. You can always upgrade in plans and prices, subscriptions if you like. The first method is to navigate to Reports, Payment Transactions in your SimplyBook.me account, locate the relevant payment and choose Refund from the kebab menu on the right. Alternatively, you can go to the Transactions page directly in SBPay.me, locate the payment and choose Refund from the kebab menu here. If you would like to send out refund confirmations, you can enable and configure them in Custom Features, Accept Payments settings. Please make sure to save changes. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.